In the previous lecture, I was told about strings, boolean, and statements. And in this lecture, I am going to learn about object-oriented JavaScript programming. Object-oriented programming refers to using self-contained pieces of code to develop applications. We call these self-contained pieces of code objects, better known as classes in most OOP programming languages and functions in JavaScript. We use objects as building blocks for our applications. Building applications with objects allows us to adopt some valuable techniques, namely inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. See the example. Unless you learn to embrace object-oriented programming fully, you will be well and truly lost. The object-oriented paradigm. If you are like me when I heard it the first time, you have no clue what this actually means. It all sounds very abstract. Feeling that way is absolutely fine. It's more important that you have heard the idea, remember it, and try to apply OOP in your code. Over time, you will gain experience and align more of your code with this theoretical concept. Object. A simple example will help you to see how JavaScript implements the fundamental principles of OOP. Consider a shopping use case in which you put products into your basket and then calculate the total price you must pay. JavaScript has several objects included in its core. For example, there are objects like math, object, area, and string. The example below shows how to use the math object to get a random number by using its random method. Let's see another example. The property. Properties are variables contained in the class. Every instance of the object has those properties. Properties should be set in the prototype property of the class so that inheritance works correctly. Working with properties from within the class is done by the keyword this, which refers to the current object. Accessing a property outside of the class is done with the syntax instance name property. This is the same syntax used by C++, Java, and a number of other languages. The JavaScript function class inherits from the object class, and the function prototype property is an instance of object. See example. That's all for the lecture. Thanks for watching.